the name of Allah. Fatma Zahra Private School, English, grade 11, second term. My dear sons and daughters, grade 11 students, peace be upon you all, wherever you are. Today I am going to throw the light upon two of the most important tenses. Although they are very easy, some of you still face some problems while using them. Our lesson is about past simple and present perfect. So, get ready to follow me. Before starting, let's have a look at the aims of the lesson. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to use the present perfect as well as the past simple easily and sort or categorize the time expressions with for and since. To begin with, let's start with past simple. To form a positive sentence, we start with subject, verb in the past, and completion. The subject can be a noun or a pronoun, as we will see in the examples. The first example, I played the match. I is a pronoun. Now, the second example, Ahmad slept early. Ahmad is a noun. From the examples, we can say that we have two types of the second form or the past verb. As you can see, played is a regular form, while slept is an irregular form. You can memorize the irregular forms from the lists of the verbs. Now, let's have a look at the negation, which we form by using didn't after the subject. Subject, didn't, infinitive, and completion. Example, I didn't play the match. The other example, Ahmad didn't sleep early. After didn't, we use the infinitive, which means the main form of the verb or the verb without any additions. So be careful, didn't is followed by an infinitive. Now, it's the time to know how to form questions. The first type, WH questions. We will form this type by writing a WH word followed by did, then the subject, after that the infinitive and the completion. Example, what did you play? The answer will be, I played the match. Another example, when did Ahmad sleep? The answer will be, Ahmad slept early. When we use did in the question, the main verb is an infinitive also. So be careful. Let's move to the second type, yes, no questions. We form this type by using did which means هل, then the subject followed by the infinitive and the completion. Example, did you play the match? The answer will be yes I did or no I didn't. Another example, did Ahmed sleep early? The answer will be yes he did or no he didn't. One of you will ask me, what is the past symbol used for? I'll say the past symbol is used for actions that started and well completed at a specific time in the past. These actions aren't related to the present. For example, I bought a car 5 years ago. The second usage is completed actions that happened one after the other in the past. Example, yesterday I got up, washed, and prayed. There are many keywords which refer to the past symbol. For example, yesterday, in followed by a finished date in the past, like 1995, last week, we can use it with last week, last Saturday, last month, last May, last year, last summer, and so on. A time period plus ago, like 2 days ago, a long time ago, a short time ago, and so on. Be careful. Ago is used with the past symbol to specify when an action took place. Now, let's move to the present perfect, which consists of subject, has or have, plus the past participle or the third form of the verb, and completion. Example, I have played the match. Now, one of you can ask me, what's the difference between I played and I have played? I played means the verb is over and has no results or effects in the present, but I have played means I have started in the past, I have started playing in the past, and now I am still playing, or I have finished playing and now I am so tired as a result of playing. Let's move to another example. Ahmed has slept early. For the negation, we will form it like this. Subject, hasn't or haven't, plus the past participle and completion. As you can see, or you noticed, we haven't changed anything. We have just added not after has and have. Example, I haven't played the match. Ahmed hasn't slept early. Now we are going to ask questions. For WH questions, we will start with a WH word, followed by has or have, then the subject, and the past participle, and the completion. Example: what have you played? The answer will be I have played the match. The other example: when has Ahmed slept? The second type, yes or no questions, we are going to use has or have, which means hal in Arabic, followed by the subject, then the past participle and the completion. The first example: have you played the match? The answer will be yes I have or no I haven't. The other example is has Ahmed slept early? Yes he has or no he hasn't. From the previous examples, we came to the point that there are two usage or many of the present perfect. The first one is we use the present perfect for actions that started in the past and still happen up to the present. Example: I have worked here since 2014. The second usage of the present perfect is for actions that finished in the past and have results in the present. Example: I am tired because I have just finished my work. There are so many keywords for the present perfect. Some of them are today, just, this, which can be followed by this week, this month, this year, etc. For, plus a time period, for 2 days, for a long time, for a short time, for 3 weeks, for a month, etc. Since plus specific date, finished in the past, since 1995, since last year, since 2005, etc. But as I said before, for and since, we should use since to refer to a specific point of time, while for is used to refer to a period of time. To sum up, let's compare between the past simple and the present perfect. Number one, past simple is used for actions that started and were completed at a specific time in the past. Example: I bought a car 5 years ago. While present perfect is used for actions that started in the past and still happen up to the present. Example: I've worked here since 2014. The other usage of the past simple is completed actions that happened one after the other in the past. Example: yesterday I got up early, washed and prayed. The other usage of the present perfect is for actions that happened in the past and have results in the present. Example: I am tired because I have just finished my work. These are the difference between the past simple, and that which is the present perfect. For homework, you have to sort the time expressions, read the time expressions in the box, decide if they refer to a period of time, for, or a specific time since, and write them into the appropriate column. 25th of June, midnight, 4 hours. 2011, 3 years, 15 minutes. 9 o'clock, 4 weeks. 6 months. And Tuesday. We have 2 columns. The first one titled a period of time. The given example is 4 hours. The second column titled a specific time. The given example is 25th of June. You have to sort these time expressions into the 2 columns. Thank you for paying attention to me. We will meet again soon, if Allah will. Till the time and ever after, I hope and wish you all the best. Good luck.